Perfect. Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah, happy to be the part of the testimonial night again. So initially, first time I had testimonial for my mom. She got recovered and she is fantastic now. And what happened exactly, I'll tell. Before going into the testimonial, I want to tell few things that once our blood gets impure, okay, the major organs which contribute in purifying the blood, when they are not able to actually perform, what happens is all the impurities they go into our lymphatic system, okay, the lymph. So why I am saying is because my testimonial is very much related to that. So one day what happened is I got some small skin rashes, but I didn't care much about it because being a therapist, there's some sort of ego is always there. I can take care of it. Uh, the thing is, I was not much using Healy, to be frank. I was showing a lot of demos to people, and sometimes I ran it for my wife or my kid. Very rare for me. So what happened is when those rashes it starts developing more and more. So I had a little worry. Like now I have to start using Healy, but still okay. Let's wait for some time. We'll try with some other thing. I changed my diet and even I went for homeopathy, one remedy I took, but there was not much changes. And what happened is step by step it got so huge. It came up to my neck, and in my leg it was like the backside of the calf muscle till there. It was so huge. I have shared the picture. If you can show it. Yes, this is the after one. You have to show the before. Yes. So why I have actually to crop the image, I kept my hand. So if you zoom it and see, this was not much severe actually. The severity increased even more. After that, I only started using Healy. How much the severity was in my buttocks area, the abdomen area, uh, the water was starting oozing out. Actually, the lymph which couldn't drain out through the blood, through the organs, kidney, and everywhere. What happened? It started oozing out from my skin. So just imagine a very terrible situation where I couldn't go out anywhere. I was just lying down, and exactly what happened is I had to sleep in a separate carpet where in the morning, if I wake up, exactly what happens is a handful of dry skin comes out. Almost more than 10 days it was happening. But by that time, I was running Healy. So I didn't go for the blue app. I didn't ask the Healy through AI since I know like certain things. So I started running a liver program, kidney program, bacteria program. But there was some 10 to 15%, maybe 20% of changes, but not much drastic. So then I decided, okay, let me ask the AI. So I ran the blue app. It showed me thyroid harmony and impurities and skin system harmony and spleen and pancreas and two other programs. Actually, I don't remember. So I ran all those programs, and within 3 or 4 days time, everything got vanished. It was real magical. And most important thing is, I was using a homeopathy. I said right, one drug. So that is called a blood purifier. So that composes of 7 different medicines. So I ran a homeopathy analysis in Blue. So I got the top 5 medicines. In the top 5, 3 medicines were listed in that homeopathy. So see the level of analysis which is so accurate. I'm really happy I'm able to sit now because I had to go to a prospect's house. It was very urgent. I had to cover my entire body and I have to keep lot of cotton and 2 towels. So because it was so not pain, but it was so burning. So that way I got completely recovered now. 100% I'm perfect. Actually, I'm sitting in a prospect's house and they have given me a space for giving the testimonial. Uh, so happy about it. And there is one more sharing. Definitely, I would like to give. Um, One of my friend's client, she was actually got an attack of stroke, and she got bedridden. So wherever they took, they said they had to undergo surgery. So my friend gave some external applications, the head and spine, and I did the analysis, and there it showed a lot of challenges. When I cross-checked with the people at home, they said, yes, she has all these challenges. They said. So what I did is I sat in my office and I ran all the programs to distance healing for 11 days, but I didn't get any information from them. So I stopped running. But like after 3 days, that is exactly from the day of analysis to the 14th day, after 2 weeks, my friend he called me and said she got all right and she is walking now. Only thing is she had lost her eyesight 90%, and that is also recovered, and 60% she is able to see. This happened like it's 2 weeks before I'm telling. So she must be recovered more now because I have more and more distance healing. So that was a very amazing one. And there are more lot of small things are there, and I know it's a time it's concerned, we cannot share more, but these two are really amazing. I'm very happy and very thankful, especially to Dr. Janani and my friend Prasanna and Mayang ji is like angel to me, and Leena ma'am, especially because when we met at Chennai, she said, you have got such a result only by using coil. I did not use bias because I had little fear if I use bias, I would have more detoxification through the skin. But Leena ma'am said, no, you go ahead with the wire. And Leena ma'am, special thanks to you. I'm 100% all right. I'm perfect. So thank you everybody, and thanks for the time. Thank you so much.